Welcome back to my channel. Today we have the last beauty box of January, and well, at least that I have or order or whatever, and that is the box, and that is this right here. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, the first thing we got is the card, and it talks about the box and the items inside the box, and there is a total of 7 items in the box this month, so that's exciting. The first item we got is CLE Multi-Cream. Multi-Cream is a rich and luxurious multi-functioning cream infused with calming Palm Santo essential oil extract for moisturizing skin, ideal for the use as daily moisturizer for all skin types, and relies on ingredients like hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, shea butter, and a combination of fruit extracts sends long-lasting hydration to dry and irritated skin. CLE Multi-Cream applies smoothly, absorbs quickly, and leaves no greasy residue on the skin. Apply all over the face, body, and even ends of hair in need of hydration. So I really don't know about all that, but let's see what it smells like. It smells like, do you guys remember that paste stuff, like that glue paste that you used in elementary school? That's what it smells like to me, but that's what it looks like. Let's rub it in. Okay, so I don't know if I want this on my face. I'll try it on my face the next few days just so I can give you a real opinion, but I don't know if this is going to be something I'm using on my face after the 3 days. I'll tell you after I review it. Next we have Lip Oil by Luna. This lip oil formula is a luxurious treatment oil that transforms lips from dry and damaged to moisturized and hydrated, all while adding a hint of sheer color. The instant lightweight technology nourishes and hydrates while soothing your lips and giving them a natural shine while appearing fuller. The innovative gel texture of this lip hugs your lips while reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. You can apply a little or as much as desired. Okay, I do like that. And this is an interesting lip oil too, because if you look at it, it actually has kind of a gloss texture. So I'm kind of excited about that. And also look at this, look at the packaging. I think it's really cute with the little stars and the little moon right here. Super cute. Next we have Precision Marker Liner by Girl Tactic. Favored by many with a Star Beauty Award behind it, the Precise Marker Liner was designed to create a thin or thick cat-winged liner. The tip is soft and precise with a long, weightless, long-lasting, smudge-proof formula. Okay, so I do like the packaging, very cute, and it's been on my hand, so let's see how smudge-proof it is. Not as smudge-proof as I would like, but I don't know, it might be okay. Yeah, see, maybe it's the lotion I applied before, I don't know. So I'm gonna wear it for the next 3 days, and maybe when applying it on makeup I can really tell the difference, but I don't know. Right now I'm kind of iffy about it. Okay, next we have Bang Lip Crayon. This long-wearing lip crayon delivers high pigment, rich color that lasts. It locks in hydration, leaving your lips soft long after wear. Using one swipe, the Bang Beauty Lip Crayon delivers full coverage while feeling extremely lightweight to the touch. Okay, so I'm looking at this, and like the color, it took a minute for it to show up, but this does feel super hydrating and moisturizing. So I do like that, and look, that kind of all goes together. I could easily, or those two go together, so I will be trying that out. Next we have Colian Pore Blackhead Steam Pack and Pore Original Pack Duo. Okay, so this is kind of interesting. This top part of it is black. I want to say it has kind of a chocolate smell, but I could be wrong because like I got a cold and I couldn't smell anything. So there's that. And then there's this end, which it's not going anywhere. So there's that. I am not really sure how to use this. This is very different and interesting. So one, you apply a small amount evenly to dry skin, leave for 10 to 15 minutes, rinse and clean. That would be this one. So that's basically a mask. And then the second one is apply a small amount evenly to clean skin, dry face, and massage for 2 or 3 minutes. Leave on for 5 to 10 minutes. Rinse and clean. So they're basically both masks, and they do similar and different things. So I will try it and let you know my thoughts. Next we have Lucy Metalite, an oil-based face gel that works as a sleeping mask, highlighter, 20-minute treatment, and moisturizer to instantly hydrate, tone, and for post-facial results. Athia, rich in vitamins and antioxidants, effectively restores skin's elasticity levels and easily absorbs to revive dull, uneven complexion. Cruelty-free, vegan, and made without mineral oil, parabens, sulfate, and I can't say that word. Anyways, that is what it looks like. It definitely is shiny. I don't know how I'm going to use this yet. I can smell it with a cold, and it smells like flowers, and it smells nice. I don't know. So the last item here is IBY Beauty City Limits Eyeshadow Palette. This eyeshadow palette is packed with 12 highly pigmented, buttery, and blendable shades infused with rosehip seed oil for skin protecting properties. This mauve palette has the ideal balance of light, transition, and dark shades. We can't wait to see the looks you'll create. So those are the colors swatched. Very, very pretty. And if you've already noticed, I already have this palette. So I did not open this one, and this one's mine. And you can tell by the edge, I've had it a little while. But this one I'm going to save for the next giveaway, so that's what that's going to be for. And these colors, clearly I already have opinions on it because it's been used and I like it because I still have the palette and I haven't decluttered it, and you can see indentions on it. But to know what I really think, you're going to have to wait until I come back after trying this for the rest of the products for 3 days, and I will give you all my thoughts on this and the other products in the box. Alright, so it has been 3 days, actually technically a little longer than 3 days, but I've tried out the makeup for 3 days. So let's go ahead and get into it. So the first product I am going to talk about is this here, which I was kind of weirded out by because of the multiple things here, but you can see I definitely did use it. I don't know if I'm going to be able to show you all of it up here because yeah, there we go. When I first applied this top one here, I didn't think I'd like it because it definitely does have kind of a warming effect. But I liked it, and I used the cooling one and liked that too. If you're going to use them together, I'd probably say use the warm one and then the cool one, but they both felt really, really good. I was surprised how much I like this, so nothing bad to say there. This here, I tried in multiple ways. I used this under my makeup as the highlight. I used it as a night cream, but I did not use it as a mask, even though it is a mask treatment. But it does give a nice shimmer. Can you see it? It's a nice gold shimmer, and it's really pretty. underneath your foundation. So this also has a nice floral scent to it, which I was a little bit hesitant about because sometimes floral scents and stuff irritate, but I found that the floral in it actually was very soothing for my skin, so I do like this. Now I have this multi-cream. Now I only use this as a body moisturizer because I didn't really care for the scent as far as on my face, because to me it smells like the paste you used as a kid in elementary school. Not like the glue, but the glue paste. That's what this smells like to me, and I just didn't want to smell that on my face or my hair. So I used it as, you know, all over the body, and it did feel really good. Was very much so deep moisturizing, as it says right there. Do you see that? Even though I didn't care for the scent, this is a good product. And moving on to the eyeliner. Now, I don't know how smudge proof this is, but like I have it on today, and over product it doesn't seem to smudge at all, so I do like it. I do like the tip too. You can see how sharp that is. I don't normally do cat eyes because my eyes water quite a bit, especially in dry months, but I did like it. It wore well. And moving on to this, I guess it's a lip crayon. I really like this. I like the color. It's a nice pink color. See if I can put it on. Kind of wore off. Kind of gives me early 2000s vibe with the shade range. So I do like this. It was very moisturizing, and I don't have anything negative about that to say. And then here's the lip oil lip gloss here. It definitely wears like a gloss, even though on here it says lip oil, on here it says lip gloss. Maybe it's both, I don't know, but I really like this. It paired nicely with this. Again, early 2000 vibes, but I don't mind. I like the color. I think it's pretty. So that is good. Now onto the palette that you all know I already have. I did not open the other one, but it was nice to dip back into this. Honestly, this palette is one of my favorite palettes that I have. I think IBY is one of my favorite eyeshadow beauty brands. Their eyeshadows are all very creamy. They wear and blend like a dream. So I don't really have anything negative to say about it at all. I mean, considering that I declutter my palettes probably about every 2 to 3 months, and this has been staying in it for a while now. I would say not quite a year yet, but it's been in there. So really good palette, one of my favorite. And so we have 7 products in this month. See that, 7? And I would give it a 7 out of 7 for all these products, because I think they're all fantastic and wonderful, and would recommend any of these products, including the one that smells like paste. I just wouldn't wear it on my face and hair, but I do like it. So excellent month. Can't wait for next month, and that is it. Let me know your favorite product down below. If you think you're gonna get one of these, or maybe sign up for the box, let me know down below. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video.